How many times have you set goals, not achieved them, got too busy, couldn't make it happen, couldn't track everything, don't know how you did, completely forgot about your goals, and you started over again the next year? Well, we're going to try to mitigate some of that. And I'm going to show you 5 steps to set and achieve your goals using your planner. Hello, I'm Katie, and welcome to the Planner channel. Step 1, set a goal. Choose a goal, make a decision, pick something that you want. This does not need to be complicated. And I don't agree with SMART goals. I have my own version of the good kind of goals, what I think makes a goal a good goal. I do have a video about why I don't like SMART goals, which I will share up in the cards and in the description. But basically, just choose a goal. Pick an area of your life in which you want to set a goal, like financial goals, relationship goals, skills goals, dreams, things you want to do, be, and have, anything. Just pick one. That's step 1. Step 2, and possibly the most important part, you need a strategy to get that goal. You need a step-by-step checklist of things to do to get to that goal. Now, to get a strategy, there are several different ways to do it. Make sure you pick one and get a strategy to get your goal. Here are some options. You can research. You can follow someone else's strategy. You can get a mentor, coaching, read, listen, podcast, watch videos. Find out who has gone before you and achieved the goal that you want, and get their strategy. See if you think it's going to work for you and adopt a strategy or create your own. But you need a system, step by step, a way to get the goal. And it needs to be written down somewhere. It needs to be, planned out. You need that strategy. So step 2 is to find, create, get a strategy to get your goal and put that in your planner. Step 3 is to decide when you're working on this goal. When are you going to make this happen? When do you have time to put in the work to achieve this goal? And here's what I mean. It doesn't have to be a lot of time, but it's better that it's consistent. If you can do it daily and first every day, that would be the best way to do it. But I know it depends on, it depends on the goal. It depends on your schedule. It depends on your other commitments. It depends on your energy level. It depends on so many things, and it doesn't matter. You just need to make a decision about when you're working on the goal. Then that needs to go in your planner, on your calendar. You need time slots, time blocks. You need time set aside to work on your goal. And it's mostly about the decision. And that's why I say make a decision about when you're working on your goal. So just pick something. Is it going to be every Saturday? Is it going to be daily, first thing in the morning? Is it going to be daily during your lunch break? Is it going to be once a week? Is it going to be 2 times a week on Tuesdays at 4 o'clock? Doesn't matter when, but make a decision, set those time blocks in your calendar, and make the commitment to spend that time working on your goal. Okay, now you have a goal, a plan to get the goal. You've decided when you're working on it. Now, this part is where you need your planner. You need to track your progress in your planner. Here are some choices. If you're using the Happy Planner, you have that full year at a glance, several pages in the front of the planner with little sections where you can track your daily progress. So if your goal is something you're working on daily and you basically just need a yes, no, did I work on it that day, or how much time did I spend on it, or did I accomplish the task that day, like a check mark, that's a great place to track it. You can also track it on the currently page. If it's a goal that you only need a small amount of space for, you just need to set a goal, you need a little place for your tasks to work on, you can use that currently page. You can also track it in the monthly calendar overview page. This is a great place to put a yes, no on the dates that you worked on your goal. Or if it is a small task that you can write in a few words, you can write those in on that monthly calendar page. Or you can track it on your weekly pages during the days on your calendar. Make a decision about where on your weekly you're tracking that specific goal. Like if you're working in a vertical planner, you could use that top box across the top for every day for tracking your goal progress and write in what you worked on during that time slot. Another option is if you're using a daily planning sheet and you have a space set aside or time set aside or a block under the notes section to track your progress on your goal there. It doesn't matter which section you use. You can also use blank paper in anywhere in your planner and create your own goal tracking pages or your own strategy worksheet if you're going to work directly on that. Any of those will work. This is more about making that decision about where to track that goal in your planner. Step 5, possibly the second most important, I think, to having a strategy is to take action. Nothing happens if nothing happens. You have to actually do something towards your goal. So taking action is, if you don't take the action, you'll never get that goal. So you have to take some action. And this is why I want you to track it in your planner, because when you make that effort, you take some action, you work on those steps on your strategy, I want you to get credit, give yourself credit for making those efforts and track it in your planner. Give yourself a sticker, a checklist, write in your progress, write which tasks you completed, or do all of the above. All of those are good ways to show yourself that you're making progress towards that goal. Leave a comment down below and tell me, how are you doing? Did you make progress? Are you resetting your goals? Do you need a strategy, time to work on your goals? Leave a comment and tell me where you are in that process. If you're ready to take your planning to the next level, come join me over in the Planner School. I have a special class just about goal setting and achievement that you might want to check out, or you can always grab your Hall Pass membership and join all the classes available in the Planner School. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.